Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Royce and today we are looking at Rode's newly released Wireless Go, their compact wireless microphone system. Yes, that's right, I finally got my hands on these. Been waiting forever, not really forever. They only announced it like a couple weeks ago, I feel like, but it feels like forever. And it's their new system that allows you to record audio wirelessly, obviously, hint the name. I'm just excited, I need to open this up. Let's open it up, let's unbox it, let's check it out. They got some cool stuff in here. So yeah, let's see. All right, cool. So let's open this up. Cool. Got a little area where to rip. It's good for somebody like me. I need that. I need that in my life. I need structure. A nice little quick start guide. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a part of the box here. All right, I'll just leave that open like that. But as we can see here, we have the Wireless Go system. We could take this out. You know what? I'm just gonna, yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. So before we get to that stuff, let's look at this. So it is tied on. Oh no, it's clipped on. Hehe, I get it. So we'll unclip these. Struggling. So these little guys, these make up the Wireless Go system. Yeah, right? Super small. So this one is the transmitter and this one is the receiver. Now the transmitter is really awesome because you can use it as a traditional transmitter where you hook up a lavalier mic to it and record that way. You can clip this to your belt. You see it's got a little clip on the back here. So you can use it that way, or what they've done, which is amazing, is they actually built in a microphone right into the transmitter. So you can use this standalone without having to hook any other mic to it. So you could clip it, I don't know, probably doesn't work on my shirt, but you can clip it like that. It kind of looks a little weird. But the whole point is, you have this, there's a mic built in, you're recording audio right here. There's no wire of, a lavalier mic running around, getting all tangled up in places that shouldn't be tangled. And then this, you just clip onto your camera or wherever you're recording your audio, because it also has a clip. And this thing here just clips onto the shoe mount that you have, or however you want to do it. And you're recording audio. It's that simple. Just these two here. Before we move on and play with this a little bit more, let's check out some of the other things that came in the box. So on this flap here, we have some instructions on how to, looks like, turn on both the receiver and transmitter, and then how to clip it on to you, and then clip it onto your camera. So what we got in here on the sides, we have USB-C cable, another USB-C cable. So both of these are USB-C to USB-A charging cables where you can charge up your Wireless Go's. Stay charged. And then in the bottom of the box, we have the TRS plug where you plug into your camera. And we have, oh nice, comes with two windshields, which is great. So you can clip these on to the Wireless Go, I think like this. Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's pretty easy. Came with two. That's generous, Rode. That's very generous. I like that. Safety, things like that. I don't care about safety. Don't need the beads. And it comes with a nice little traveling pouch. So you can throw your Wireless Go's in there. Because what we're going to do now is hook up the Wireless Go to my camera so we can hear the audio. So right now the audio you're hearing is from the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So I'm going to plug these guys in and then you should hear an audio difference. First, we're gonna test the built-in microphone, and then I'll bring in my other lavalier mic that we'll plug in. So to get started, we'll remove this little plastic here on both of them. And to turn them on, what we're gonna wanna do is press this button here at the top of the receiver and the bottom of the transmitter. And we'll hold those down. Now that they're on, they're already paired. And you can see here on the transmitter, on the little screen here, we see the audio levels. We see the battery for the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver's running low, so we're gonna have to make this test quick. And we have your connection, so the connection's strong. And we have, I think, our dB levels here, our gain. So if we hit the dB button right here, we should be able to adjust that input. Yep, as we can see here. All right, so let's hook this thing up. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. 2, mic check. Okay, all right. So I had to adjust that gain there. Yeah, I think the audio is coming clear. Hopefully. How's that sound for you guys? Because I ain't monitoring nothing right now. The benefit of having the built-in mic, there's a lot of, you know, this should be more minimal than if you had a lavalier hooked up and then you start kind of hearing the clothing, and then, you know, you got to use some techniques to minimize that. But with this, it kind of has its own little built-in filter from that, because it has literally the housing of the transmitter itself. So that's actually nice. I wonder if I could, I mean, if I do that, I wonder if I could. But if you're in a situation where it's down here, you know, don't have to worry about that as much. This is usually where people might have it if you're doing interviews or something like that. They got a little collared shirt. You can kind of like put it in between the buttons and things like that. But yeah, this is pretty much it with the built-in internal mic, which is awesome. It's literally just this piece, and that's it. You don't need anything else. But if you wanted, which is great, you can plug in your own lavalier mic, which is what we'll do right now. We'll use the lav mics that come with the Sennheiser MKE2s. So let me just see. I wonder, curious how it will transfer, if it just transfers automatically once I plug this in. Let's find out. Now we got the MKE2 mic hooked up, plugged into the Wireless Go transmitter, and now this becomes more of a traditional wireless transmitter, which again, super portable. So now you just got this little square you can just hook up to like your belt or whatever on your side, something like that. You can hook it up in the back, rig it, things like that, and it becomes just really small and less likely to be seen and easier to mount places on the body. So yeah, this is, and obviously I would hide the mic in other situations, but this is it. So now this is what it sounds like coming from this mic. So we had the Video Mic Pro Plus, and then we heard straight from the Wireless Go itself, and now we're hearing from the MKE2 lavalier microphone. So with that, you now got these two options. So do I want to use the lavalier mic? Do I have the right clothes to just clip it on myself and just to do that? You can use this clip on here and mount it somewhere, so it can kind of like, you can use the clip on here. So now you can just like mount it off to the side somewhere too. And so now you have another miking option for whatever your setup is. A lot of great possibilities for this guy. I'm really excited. What I should point out too is when you plug in a lavalier microphone, especially one that has a screw-in or locking system, the Wireless Go transmitter itself does not have that. But from what I've noticed, just a quick plug-in, like, if I can find the right, where'd it go? Like that. It's actually really secure. So even though I can't screw this on, you can see here I'm tugging on this, and it should stay pretty stable. You know, I can hang it. Cool stuff, Royce, but how much does it cost? Well, now I'm going to tell you. The Rode Wireless Go starts at $199. I'll leave a link to B&H where you can purchase it there. They say it has 7+ hours of battery life, so depending on what your day's looking like, you can probably get through a full day off a single charge. And I'm sure the follow-up question to that is, how long does it take the Wireless Go to charge? And the answer is, I have no idea. But I will find out, and as soon as I do, I will let you guys know. And for those hoping for some type of multi-transmitter to receiver setup, unfortunately, you can only sync one transmitter to one receiver at a time. And that's about it. Rode's Wireless Go, super easy, super simple wireless audio that you can use in your setup. If you're just shooting videos like this, or if you're doing interviews, vlogs, if you're shooting short films, feature films even, you know, this can be used, man. Like I'm gonna use this like crazy. There's so many applications that these can be used for. But let me know what you guys think. Is the Wireless Go something you guys can utilize in your setup? You still have any more questions I might have missed? Let me know and we can talk about it. Or if you're just somebody where it's just like, why would I do that? Why would I do something simple? I like complicated. If you're that person, that's fine too. Let's chat. I'm here for you. I'm here to fix your life. And if you want to see a little bit more, definitely check out my last video where we got a hands-on demo from Rode themselves while we were at NAB last week, where they did their own breakdown. So definitely check that out. So yes, again, my name's Royce. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If so, stay locked to the channel, and I will catch y'all later when I do another video about something else in that video, and then I'll talk about it in the video. Rode Wireless Go.